2015 BMW X3 with the 2-liter turbo gasoline engine. And today we're going to be replacing the drive belt, or serpentine belt, or fan belt, whatever you want to call it. And the only thing you're going to need for this job is a 16mm socket. As you can see right down here, this is our tensioner, alternator, AC compressor, and our crank pulley right down there at the bottom. That's all there is to these. Go ahead and put your 16mm on that tensioner bolt. Apply the pressure, and then you can just reach down here to the alternator and pull the old belt off. There's the old belt. For the new belt, we're going to be using the Dayco 5060-396. Go ahead and start wrapping this around the crank. Then up to the alternator. Around the AC unit, of course. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring our slack right up here, double check to make sure that the belt is around all of the pulleys correctly, because if it's out of line, even a tooth, it'll be very difficult to get on. Pull that tensioner slack back. Now we're going to reach up here and slide it over the alternator pulley. It's definitely a tight fit, and I don't know why they do it like that. But once you get it on, everything will slide right into place. Before starting up your vehicle, make sure that you go through here and double check all of the ribs and make sure that they're lined up on the belts and on the pulleys correctly. There we go. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe.